Hello everybody, my name is Leonardo. We are BR Rain, Liquid Solution and Solid Data. Our value proposals are sustainability, economy and autonomy. The first problem, water scarcity all around the world. The solution, rainwater for non-potable uses that can replace from 50 to 70% of the potable water. The traditional rainwater harvesting system, they are not efficient. BR Rain automated system is efficient and gets more quantity and more quality of the harvested rainwater. And it's smaller and 10 times lighter. Another problem, reliable information for sustainability reports regarding ESG and certifications, green building and ISO. This problem again. Solution, our IoT system that gets rain and volumes measurements and delivers solid data for sustainability reports. Our markets, mainly B2B, roofs bigger than 500 square meters, non-potable uses as much as better, sustainability reports. Our market, places where we have rainwater harvesting legislation, like two examples in Brazil and United States. Water costs as higher as better. We are BR Rain and enjoying the rainwater.